We have the brand new Beats Pill with us and the HomePod Mini, and we're gonna do a blind sound test. I'm gonna put the Apple Vision Pro on and be completely immersed in the environment so I can't see which speaker is which, and we're gonna play songs on both of these speakers, and I'm gonna tell you which one I think sounds the best. All right, so let me put these glasses on. I am now fully immersed on the beach. Let's go.
Okay, so I mixed them up. Let's start with the left one.
Okay. That sounds good. Okay.
And for the right one?
Okay. Left one for sure. This one was a little bit close actually, but I would say the left one sounded more fuller and had better beats.
That's right.
Huh?
That's right.
Oh, it's the beats. All right, should we try another song?
All right, let's mix these up.
Okay.
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 Ready?
Yes.
So now we're gonna start with the right one first.
Okay. Let's wait for the beat to drop. Okay.
Okay. And now for the left one.
Oh, definitely this one. It just sounds so much more fuller. It's louder, the bass. Okay, I think this is the Beats. The Beats Pill is so good. Let me get out of the beach and take these off.
And that was actually both of them at the same volume.
Oh, really? Okay, so definitely the Beats Pill. The Beats Pill is actually really good. And the crazy thing is, I guess this is $50 more than the HomePod Mini, but this is more versatile because it's actually battery powered and you can take it wherever you want. It's waterproof. It has this really nice lanyard. It's dust proof also. And there's just a lot of features with this. You can even plug in a USB-C here to your Beats Pill and you get even better sound quality if you do that directly with your phone. So Beats Pill is definitely a winner here.